all these birds, man. All these birds and no electricity anywhere around here. All these stores are without power. And all these lights. I mean, not all that down there is birds. Yeah, y'all can't even see it. I'm gonna drop my phone out the car. But there's a parking lot full of birds over there. So maybe something to come along and stir them up. I mean, it's birds everywhere. And y'all see, ain't no lights. Ain't no stoplights. None of the stoplights are working. It's crazy. I'm talking about if y'all know about the birds from that movie Alfred Hitchcock. There's so many birds we got out here just flying around. That's crazy. That whole parking lot is full of birds. I just can't show you. I would have to drive over there. Guess they come south for the winter. But it's south down here. It's 30 degrees.